Hey guys, my name is Taylor Anise, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the bareMinerals Original Loose Powder. I have a little bit of discoloration on my cheek area, in my smile lines, and on my chin, and with this powder foundation I'm able to get the coverage of a liquid foundation but the breathability of a powder, and that's one of the reasons why I really love this foundation. I used to do makeup on my clients, and this was pretty much the number one foundation that they would bring in, and I loved that both my fair clients as well as my darker skin clients were both able to find shades with this foundation, and it looked beautiful on their skin. In order to customize my perfect shade, I'm going to take neutral tan and just a tad bit of warm tan and mix them together. To apply this foundation, I'm going to be using the swirl, tap, and buff technique. Pour a little bit of the powder into the cap of the foundation and then swirl the mineral powders together for at least 15 to 20 seconds. And this is going to warm up the minerals, turning it into a creamy formula that seamlessly applies to the skin. After you finish swirling, you just want to tap off the excess into the cap of the foundation. And then you just want to start buffing the product. Work in circular motions to really just work the product in. And this is how I apply the bareMinerals Original Loose Powder. I love the finish that it gave. It looks like I applied a liquid foundation and it's only powder. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to bareMinerals for having me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you later. Bye.